Kakasuhan ng paglabag sa Comprehensive Firearms Law and Ammunition ang lalaking nagpakilalang dating pulis na nagtangkang pumasok sa Campo Crame kahapon. Ayon kay PNP Firearms and Explosives Office Chief Police Brigadier General Kenneth Lucas, umiiral ang gun ban ngayon at wala din itong maipakitang permit to transport at exemption mula sa Commission on Elections. Kasong paglabag sa Comprehensive Firearms and Ammunition Law ang isasampa laban dito.
Ngayon po, gun ban po tayo. So, bago po natin i-withdraw yung baril kung saan man nakapost yung mga gwardiya, dapat po meron po tayong COMELEC exemption para i-transport po yung mga firearms. Of course, i-escortan pa rin po ng social natin, social personnel natin, papunta po doon sa office ng security agency.
Regardless of that, still, the elements of the crime, the elements or the provisions of the Omnibus Election Code, andyan po yan. Unlike administrative case, these things can be considered as mitigating, but I don't know how it will be appreciated if it comes to the proving of the crime, no. Pero thinking na natin.